Join me as I dive deep into the world of documentary making and challenge myself to expose the hidden agendas that often go unnoticed. Documentary filmmaking has an incredible power to shape public perception. A well-crafted documentary can enlighten, educate, and inspire us, but it can also manipulate and mislead. The line between fact and fiction can become blurred, and that's where things get really interesting. Many documentaries prioritize storytelling over factual accuracy. This might make for a compelling narrative, but it can also lead to potential misinformation. Filmmakers may use emotional appeals, selective editing, and other techniques to sway our opinions. The result can be a skewed view of reality that's more reflective of the filmmaker's agenda than the truth. This can be problematic, especially when documentaries are presented as factual. Viewers may not be aware of the biases and manipulations at play, and they may accept the information at face value. That's why it's essential to approach documentaries with a critical eye. We need to be aware of the potential for hidden agendas and take steps to verify the information presented. The impact of biased documentaries can be significant. They can influence public opinion, shape cultural narratives, and even affect policy decisions. That's why it's crucial to examine the techniques used to manipulate narratives and to hold documentarians accountable for their work. Some documentaries have been criticized for their clear biases and manipulative techniques. For example, some filmmakers might use loaded language, selectively present facts, or omit crucial information to create a specific narrative. Others might use emotional appeals or sensationalism to grab our attention. These techniques can be effective in swaying our opinions, but they're not always transparent. One notable example is the documentary The Cove, which highlighted the annual dolphin hunt in Taiji, Japan. While the documentary raised awareness about the issue, some critics argued that it presented a one-sided view and exaggerated the problem. The filmmakers were accused of using manipulative techniques such as selective editing and emotional appeals to create a specific narrative. The impact of such documentaries can be seen in the public's reaction. For instance, the documentary The Cove sparked widespread outrage and protests against the dolphin hunt. However, some critics argued that the documentary's biased approach alienated potential supporters and created a polarized debate. The stakes involved are high. Biased documentaries can influence public opinion and shape cultural narratives. They can also affect policy decisions and even lead to real-world consequences. That's why it's essential to approach documentaries with a critical eye and to be aware of the potential for hidden agendas. In conclusion, the world of documentary making is complex and multifaceted. While documentaries have the power to educate and inspire, they can also manipulate and mislead. It's up to us as viewers to be critical and aware of the potential for hidden agendas. So, what do you think? Have you seen any documentaries that you felt were biased or manipulative? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more insightful content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.